This 2021 Starcraft Super Lite 262RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Starcraft is 31 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, awning, oven, slide-out, TV, water heater, LP detector, external shower, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Starcraft Super Lite 262RL is 6,103 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.